All right, so we've gotten to, I would say, what is a more difficult problem. This one's hard because it goes for a long time. The individual formulas themselves are easy, so if I draw 1, 1, 1, 1, it doesn't look like it takes very long. I have F, E, S, O, O, F, E, F, E, O, 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 S, O, O. Doesn't look too hard at first glance, but it's going to end up being kind of hard. So, the first thing I notice is that since I need to have the same number of atoms on this side as I do on this side, I'll notice that my iron FEs are not equal to each other. So I need to have at least one more iron on this side. And again, I can't just pick the iron away and leave the S. Chemistry has already decided that when iron and sulfur get together, they bond in a 1-to-1 ratio. So we have to go with that. So taking stock of where I'm at right now, I have 2 iron here and 2 there. So irons are okay. But my S's are not. So I'm going to need at least one more S, sulfur, on this side, which again comes with 2 O's, whether I like it or not. So if I'm just looking here right now, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 oxygens on the left and 1, 2 on the right. So if I go 2 more, I got 4 now. I got 2 more after that. I've got 6, and I need at least 1 more from there because I have to get up. Now, I got another issue, and that issue is that now I'm over what I started with. So I need more oxygens. So I got to add more. Now, the easiest thing to do to get me to an even would be to add 3. 1, 2, 3. Because I can't just cherry pick the 1. This O comes with 2 other O's and 2 more irons. So I have to undo the balancing I've already done on those just to get to an even number here. Which means I've got, looking at what I have so far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I only have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the left. So I need 2 more. At this point right now, my oxygens are okay. I'm 10 to 10. My sulfurs are still okay. I've got 2 here and 2 there. But the issue is that now I've gotten 4 iron on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I only have 2 over here. So I need 2 more iron. And both of those irons, unfortunately, come with the sulfur that we don't really want. It means more work for us on the left, on the right. So those sulfurs I didn't want, my irons are good now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 FEs to 4 FEs. The problem now is my sulfurs, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side and 1, 2 on this side. So it's kind of feeling like I'm playing whack-a-mole with my problems here. But if I go deep enough, I think they'll eventually go away. So I need 2 more sulfurs, but again, both of those come attached to 2 oxygens. So I got 4 more oxygens coming our way, which means I've unbalanced the oxygen. I've made a new problem again. But at this point, 1, 2, 3, 4 iron, 1, 2, 3, 4 iron, 1, 2, 3, 4 sulfur, 1, 2, 3, 4 sulfur. The last thing I need to do then is to make sure my oxygens are balanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which means I need 4 more. Again, it's like I'm playing whack-a-mole. But that's it. That's the end. Now I've got 14 oxygens, 4 sulfurs, and 4 irons on both sides. And if you look at how many of each with these coefficients should be, I've got 4 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 7 on the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a 7 there. I've got 2 here. 1, 2. And then 4 there. So my answer at the end of the day is 4, 7, 2, 4. Sounds like a lot of work. We had to keep going for a long time. Every time we solved one problem, we made a new one. But at the end of the day, we get to this pattern. If this is an even number, I would know that I've gone too far because I would have everything divisible by 2. But since none of these have any common factors, we're good. We know this is our answer.